My name is Corey Hoover, and my husband Jim and I purchased this property just about 2 years ago now. We run a horseback riding lesson program and a horse rescue on the property along with our daughters. My parents live with us as well, so we're a 3-generation household. We have some fun facts about the house. We were actually on Ugliest House in America, and we won the Ugliest House in the Northeast, but we didn't win nationwide. Our house was built in the mid-80s, and really nothing in it has been updated. So we knew when we bought the house that the roof on it was at least 20 years old, so that was going to be our first really big investment. We knew we had some old leaks, we had some slightly active leaks, and needed to get that buttoned up. I've heard about Klaus Larsen for years. He sent an email in on a Saturday at about noon, and within 45 minutes I had a call back. So we got the appointment set up so quickly, and when I reached out, Greg came right out within a day or so and did a really amazing consultation. When RJ and his team showed up, they were so efficient and so professional, and everyone on property was just amazing. By about 2 o'clock on Saturday, we had a whole new roof, new skylights put in, sun tunnels put into various parts of the house, and it has just added so much. It was just amazing. I would absolutely tell them to go with Klaus Larsen Roofing. We had an amazing experience. The warranties and the guarantees that they give you behind their work and behind the materials that they use really topped out anyone else that we talked to or looked at for roofing. And we're looking forward to having them come back in the spring and do our siding.